I have a question. Who broke the fridge door? No. So, something happened to us. Oh, no. Sorry, I take that back. Something happened to what, Aiden?
The fridge.
To our fridge.
Yeah.
Can you open it? I'm going to flip the camera so he can open it and show you what it looks like.
Oh, Aiden! Dude, you broke the fridge.
I know it.
Okay, so wait. I have a question. Who broke the fridge door? No. Put your hand. No. If you broke the fridge door, put your hand up. So Dad broke the fridge door, and Aiden didn't know, and he opened it, and the thing just like the other day, it fell off. So
like that.
Yep. So our fridge is like not too packed. We've got food and stuff in there, but we just ordered a new fridge, and I'm excited about like finally getting a fridge in, because every time I try to open it, I have to call somebody to help me hold the fridge door, and I don't want to do that anymore. So we got a new fridge, and we're gonna get it installed when, Aiden?
Right now.
Today. Yeah, we're gonna get a new fridge installed today. I'm gonna show you guys how you change. Well, I'm not gonna be changing it, but we're paid for installation and the fridge. So we're just gonna show you guys how, they're gonna take it out and put in a new one. So stay posted. So this is what we do. So when we need to grab something, we take the whole fridge door out and put it down. And then when we're done, Aiden, can you scoot over? Did you grab something out? Put it back, Aiden. And then we got to pick it up like that. And then snap to one side, snap, and then it works. There you go. Right. So our freezer door is actually pretty good. Open it, babe. Yeah, the freezer is good. Everything works up there.
I'm scared with every door.
But when they switch it, they have to change the whole unit. So we're gonna get a whole new one. I'm excited though.
Me too.
What was that about?
I'm excited
Excited for what?
for our new fridge.
Okay.
All right. This is the new fridge. Ooh, looks good.
Oh, you have to open it for you to switch it to auto.
Open the bottom, let me see.
You can't because of the stuff in the bottom.
Oh yeah, it's still locked. That's okay. Not bad. So right now we're emptying the fridge out so that they can put the new fridge in. So emptying the freezer and putting all the stuff on the table. Yeah, by the way, we've got a lot of ice cream. Sea salt caramel cookie crunch. Oh my God, we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things of ice cream. Yeah, that is a lot of ice cream. Hey, you gonna help Dad with the fridge?
Okay.
But make sure you don't drop the handle, because you know it's broken. Be gentle. Gentle, guys. Aiden, can you check to make sure the fridge is empty? Empty? Nothing here, nothing here, nothing here. What about on the door? Let's check the fridge door. Nothing there too.
Why is the door on this side?
All right. Everything's on the table and over there. And yeah, we do have a lot of ice cream, by the way. Like a lot. What are you doing in there? Really? Awesome. So we're getting the fridge installed, and they start from out here before they go in, apparently. And yeah, we gotta update this map. We gotta put Idaho, Montana, Wyoming, because we've been there. Bye bye.
Close the door.
Bye bye,
Help
fridge
me.
door.
Help me with the door.
You're not gonna help your dad take that out? Don't
Okay.
fall.
Oh, you work. You got it? Take it this way. Man, I need you to move so I can turn this way. Yep. Babe, I need you guys to move.
We're good.
Just move, is that?
Or we're going all the way up.
Whoa!
Sit it right there on that.
Wow!
You put it up that way more. Más por allá. Oh, lo levanto? Yeah. Put it on top of that mat right there. Okay.
Fridge is on its way out. Where's the hole, Aiden?
What were you saying about the
I can
fridge?
fit there.
What?
I know
That's where the fridge goes.
They're gonna start installing
I can fit
furnace.
in
This
here.
is one of the old ones I had.
Don't go in there.
I mean, I got because
No bottle. In order for this to go through.
don't hold it too hard. Good.
Aiden, do you know what they're doing? What do you think? Look at the door.
Off the door.
Yeah. Taking off the door.
So the door's out.
Honey.
Okay.
Turn it. Hold on. That trim on top. Right there. Okay. Okay. Which one? Hold on. Right there. Okay.
You flip it upside down, don't matter. Put it down. Flip it upside down. It's dead anyway. Put it down. Let it sit. Hold on. Damn, man.
Sure, you guys give me the hard fucking job. Hey, you can do the next one. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Alright. Hold on, gently. Gently. Hold on. Down a little bit. Lie down a little. Now up. Up. There you go. Nice. Hold on. Set it there. Okay, now I got it. Put on my toes first so I don't lose my fingers.
What's your seat?
Babe, pull that thing up.
What is it?
Put the door away and then deal with the fridge.
Woo! You want to push this seat out.
In way? Yeah. Hold on.
Open it, baby. Look, what do we have in here that we didn't have before?
Light.
Yep, we have light. All right, you gonna take those out and set it up? All right, hurry up, because we got to put all this stuff back in here.
And
Our new fridge is finally in.
thanks for
We're gonna put all the stuff back in, and I just have one thing to say.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you not break the fridge again?
I'll try not to with my strong muscles.